Fix raw socket error 10013 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Disable third-party antivirus. When you experience this issue, the first action to take is to determine if a third-party antivirus may be blocking certain ports used by your local host. Fix 2. Disable internet connection sharing. As mentioned, connection sharing service could be one of the main reasons for the error 10013. To disable it, you need to access services as follows. Fix 3. Restart Internet Information Services, IIS. Restarting IIS service will kill the internet services and remove its related data, which can help you resolve the raw socket error 10013 error. Fix 4. Temporarily disable firewall. Fix 5. Try System Restore. You can return your machine in time before the problems began. Choose a different restore point, if available, and click Next. Mark the Show More Restore Points checkbox. Select the point in time when the problem did not exist.